Okay, hanging these relief carving birds of prey is very simple. I'm just going to remove this one now and we can have a quick look at it and I'll show you how it all works. So behind it are two screws that put into the wall. I supply these relief carvings with either two roll plugs and two screws. And I also supply them with these plasterboard mounts as well, which also come with two screws. And if you notice, these screws they're protruding approximately 1 centimetre from the wall. And the reason for that is it slots. If you have a look at the back of the mount here, into this piece of aluminium angle. I mean, it's not terribly elegant, but it's very functional. And these generally vary slightly, but the mounts stick out a bit, a slight angle, to make the bird lean slightly forwards for effect. But all you do then is, I don't know if you can see that or not, so I just generally just line up one screw, and then once that's in, I fold it over, and that's it in. Dead simple, really easy. And most of my birds of prey, you know, around this kind of size, which is about 4 foot wingspan, I suppose. It's slightly larger than a barn owl, I guess. They all have exactly the same size mount. I've done that mainly for my own convenience, putting them up in galleries. I can move things around, and then, you know, this is at home, and I, you know, various different pieces as I make them and as they go out. It just makes life easier, and it might be useful as well to a client who might want another piece and they might fancy moving their pieces around, swapping them about. So yeah, there you go. That's a very easy job to do, mounting them on the wall.